Hello, everyone. Greetings. And once again, it's Fakhruddin here from Online Optom Learning Series. And we just completed our 100 live sessions at the OOLS platform. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for believing in us and supporting us in a lot of ways by sending your feedbacks, liking our Facebook page, following us on our Facebook and our YouTube channel. And this would not have been definitely possible without the extended support of our speakers. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every speaker who gave us their time and did a session for us at OOLS. Along the way, we were also very lucky and privileged to get accredited by various national organizations such as the Optometry Council of India, the Integrated Philippines Association of Optometrists, the Philippine Society of Public Health and Occupational Optometry, and the Optometry Vietnam.
Hello all OOLS viewers, my name is Minh Chen, an optometrist from Vietnam. On the behalf of Optometry Vietnam, we would like to send our congratulations to all OOLS team for completing their 100 sessions. This has been a wonderful platform for optometry students, optometrists, as well as eye care practitioners in Vietnam, especially during this difficult time of COVID-19. Thanks to all OOLS team for your wonderful work.
Thank you for believing in us and allowing us, accrediting us. And we would also like to thank Segi University for providing an education support. And for those who are not yet aware, all our recorded session would be soon posted onto the educational portal of Segi University, where those who have missed the previous sessions can go watch it and answer some questions and thereby get your e-certificates as well for those missed sessions. Let's look at the videos as promised. We have received a lot of videos, text messages, congratulatory messages. So let's look at some videos from you all which you have sent to us.
Hello all, I am Azhar Mahmood Khan from ERA Medical College, Lucknow. I am a student of Bachelor's in Optometry, third year. I've gained so much of knowledge. I covered many topics through your sessions. Thanks to OOLS for giving such a wide variety of knowledge in several topics which I can cover. And keep it up. Your sessions are always very fruitful and I enjoy them. Thank you. Keep it up.
Hi, I'm Sridhar. First of all, I want to congratulate Team OOLS for completion of their 100th session. I have been following Team OOLS from the day one. I must say I have been benefited from each and every session. I want to congratulate Optom Fakhruddin and his team for their conscious hard work behind the online Optom learning series. What they make different is they called speakers from all over the world and conducted different optometry related topics. Sending emails, e-certificates and all the links for joining the session for each and every session is really takes a lot of hard work. Wish you all the best for upcoming session in the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Fatima from Mauritius. I've studied at Segi University in Malaysia and I'm currently working as an optometrist in Mauritius. So a big applause to the OOLS team for all the sessions and to the speakers as well who gave me the chance to learn more about optometry, to tackle my patient in a different way and to manage them based on their skills, their experiences. Thanks again and keep doing the great job.
Thank you, everyone. But not only at the attendees, but our speakers also became attendees for some sessions. And here is what they have to tell us about online Optom Learning series.
Congratulations, ULS team, for completing the century of 100 qualitative online lectures. It's been a very timely and well-planned initiative to bring all the optometrists who not only belong to India but also from all over the world to explore optometry. It's been a great pleasure to be a part of this. ULS is now turning out to be one of the best international online learning platform in the field of optometry. The selection of the topics, speakers, as well as its conduct is highly professional, and I congratulate the team behind this to deliver the series globally free of cost. And special mention to FB for being such a great host.
Hi, my name is Ukti Vora. I am an Indian optometrist currently residing in United States. I have completed my master's MBA and a fellowship from American Academy of Optometry. I had a pleasure to be part of the ULS team in a way where I was able to present a couple of lectures on their platform, as well as learn a lot from all the sessions that they have completed so far. I would like to wish congratulations to the entire team of ULS for the fantastic job they have done. One thing which I really loved about ULS is the fact that they have covered a variety of range of topics from something very basic, which sometimes we need a refresher as well, being a practitioner, and they have gone up to the level of advance in each and every subject out there in optometry with the best speakers from around the world. So thank you so much Team ULS for doing this fantastic job. Congratulations and good luck for another 100 more episodes to come. So thank you so much. Bye.
Hello, Frank Epigesi here, based in the UK. So the online optometry learning series has reached its 100th session. Well done. Well done to Fakhruddin. Well done to all your colleagues and for the people who have participated and listened. This is a fantastic achievement and everyone should be really proud. Keep going. I know there's a lot more good stuff to come. All the best. Bye-bye for now.
Not to forget, online Optom Learning series also played an important part for the optometry doctors of the Central Escolar University at Manila, Philippines. Online Optom Learning series sessions were used to train the interns of Central Escolar University, and this is what they have to say about OOLS.
Hi, my name is Millicent Sofia Bernardo, an optometry intern from Central Escolar University here in the Philippines. When the pandemic started last year, everything was put to halt, including our face-to-face learning. And so, we are just fortunate that our school, headed by our Dean Dr. Elena Borromeo, and our internship coordinator Dr. Con Anda, and the rest of the faculty were able to come up with an alternative through this online learning platform, wherein we're able to compensate our missed actual internship. I've attended live sessions and watched recorded ones, and I must say that it's almost like learning face-to-face, because OOLS presented different interesting topics periodically with great speakers. I'm so glad that they became part of my internship because the passion of the speakers and educators encourages me and brings a lot of motivation to continue learning online. OOLS have done such a great job in launching this series for us optometry students to learn online.
I am Francis Jefferson Diaz Weber from the Philippines, a student intern of the Doctor of Optometry program from Central Escolar University, Manila. The online Optom Learning series developed a number of online programs for us interns here in the Philippines. From the kick-off up to these days, we interns find them very professional, organized, and responsive as well. Most importantly, they understood and delivered on our need to be innovative with the program activities and interactions despite the pandemic that we're experiencing right now. OOLS, I could say, is an extremely efficient and creative optometric development program all across the borders.
So once again, with your continued support, we would be continuing our series of online education in the nearby weeks, and we wish to receive your extended support as always. Once again, I will see you all again next weekend. Take care and be safe. Stay blessed. Bye bye.